Hello, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel, your go to destination for all things living room decoration. We believe that the heart of any home is the living room. It's where families gather, friends connect, and memories are made. Our channel is dedicated to helping you transform your living space into a heaven of style, comfort, and functionality. Join us on a journey of interior design inspiration where we explore a wide range of themes, styles, and budget friendly ideas to suit every taste and space. From classic elegance to modern minimalism, we have got it all covered. Our team of experienced decorators and design enthusiasts will guide you through step by step tutorials, insightful tips, and creative dye projects, ensuring that you have the knowledge and confidence to embark on your own decorating adventures. Discover the latest trends, color palettes, and furniture arrangements that will breathe new life into your living room. We will also share practical tips on maximizing space, selecting the right lighting, and incorporating personalized touches that truly make a space your own. But it doesn't end there. We believe in sustainability and eco-conscious design. We will introduce you to innovative eco-friendly products and sustainable practices that align with your values while enhancing the beauty of your living space. At my YouTube channel, we understand that every living room is unique, just like you. Whether you are a seasoned decorator or a complete beginner, we are here to inspire and support you on your journey to create the living room of your dreams. Subscribe now and become a part of our vibrant community of decor enthusiasts. Hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Let's embark on this exciting journey together. Thanks for watching.